Hi friend, my name is Jamal. We come again. We want to talk today about how we can change the title. Mean Apk or application Android application name. Wrote few more. I hope to enjoy about this lesson and to understand. We want to flow through anime. We start to look about the name of the compiled and look after the folder or file, especially for this application there. After that, we choose exactly name and to click. After that, we want to look after the file, especially for main resource, and click it. After that, we look after the flows, the first flows look, and it will change to other window. We look about string and open by notepad. Yes. And we find windows. Those we can look after try to the name. How can find it? We ought to put just a few letter like ab name like this, not in Arabic, English. Yes, ab, yes, name. Look, ab name, yes, and click like this. Sorry, click it. Okay. We found it very simple. Look how we found it. Just this title or name by Arabic. We can write it by Arabic to other thing like, okay, there in Arabic, تغيير, that means change. تغيير, yes, تغيير in Arabic. اسم, that means name. تغيير اسم. التطبيق, that means change app name. Change app name or application name. Okay, we go to save it up. You can save it. Yes, that means we save it. Okay, it changed by Arabic تغيير اسم التطبيق, but we can try again by English language to understand Arabic and other who can understand English anyway. Yes. Say now we write change. Yes. Change. Yes. App. Okay. Name. Look. Change app name. Right. Okay. We go to okay, then that's all. That means it's changed. Thank you. Goodbye.